It was fun. It was a lot of fun to be out there and teach people actually to help swim. A lot of people knew what they were doing, but a lot of people learned.
We're always excited to come to Disney World, and to be a part of such a thing is just fantastic.
Well, it's even better being here in Disney World, my favorite place on earth, but to be a part of this is just even better.
The purpose of the world's largest swim lesson is to raise safety awareness